Hi there, City of Thousand Oaks. We have a problem off of Pembridge and Darlington where the water has been flowing in the street for over 4 months. You can see how it comes out of here. This is on May 4th. Oops, sorry, May 5th. Right here, there's a system in place to deal with an underground spring that has always been here, but it has never come out of the street like this. I have called the city several times to try to get help with the situation and was told it's not a big deal, it'll dry up, it's not a lot of water. Well, I think you can pretty clearly see that it is quite a bit of water, and it's actually starting its own little ecosystem and quickly eroding away by chemical weathering our streets. And I'm just wondering if City of Thousand Oaks wants to operate this way. Why not fix this problem? Because we know there's an underground spring that runs here, and divert it to an area that does not cause an infrastructure problem. Yesterday when I was walking by, I noticed where the water turns onto Darlington that we are indeed starting a little sinkhole for extra fun measure. So I'll walk over to that. And you can see how the street is steadily getting eroded. Here's our new little sinkhole. It's super tiny, but it's there and it's happening, and it's eroding the street further. So I'm walking the path that the water takes so you can see the whole situation for yourself and see if we need to continue to deal with it. I feel that 4 months or more, it could be longer, of running water is really a sufficient amount of time for the city to come up with a game plan of what to do next. I mean, what if it runs for a year? What if it runs for 2 years? Should we just have giant river potholes? I am all for nature, but this was not what was intended for this neighborhood. Obviously, what happened was during the huge storms, something in the system that comes off the school was broken, and it now diverts into the street. So please, I beg you to help us with this problem. I have contacted the school district. I have contacted the city works department. I contacted the EPA who tested it to make sure it was groundwater, which it is. What else can we possibly do? Please do not let our neighborhood get destroyed. Please help us now. Does this look like a small amount of water to you? Thank you for your time.